We're gonna make a leather bag today. Now I've already made 2 bags before. This was one of them, the Hermes Birkin lookalike, and then I did this crossbody satchel bag as well, and this was the first one I made. Really loved it. I had so much fun making these, but because we have a crossbody bag and a handbag, I've decided for the next one that we're gonna do today is a bucket bag. So these bags are actually a DIY leather bag kit, and it's from Babylon Leather. Now they did send them to me, and I have a little discount code for you, but before we get to that, I wanna show everything that you get in the kit, because even if you've never made a bag before, it doesn't matter because they literally give you everything that you need. My box got a little destroyed in the mail, but the inside contents were safe. So of course we have all the leather pieces, and as you can see, the pieces already have all the holes punched on them. So you just need to stitch it together, and it does come with a QR code that has a video for the instructions. We have the hardware for the bag. Ooh, it's gold. I like this. And this is the strap, screwdriver, needles, snips, thread. These I had last time, but I forgot, but they're holding pins, which I'll show you when I am sewing the bag. Then we have a little horse as a accessory, and another accessory are these silk scarves that you can just add and tie to your bag. And like I mentioned earlier, I do have a discount code for you. It is Eleanor10, and you get 10% off, and it's site-wide. So you can get any bag kit that you want. If you want to do the bucket bag that I'm doing today, or the satchel bag I did, the Birkin bag, so many options. Check it out. They are all real leather bags. You can sometimes choose actually what color hardware you want. You don't even need experience hand sewing. The tutorial gives you all the information. It tells you exactly how to do it. I highly recommend. I really enjoy a good project that ends up with a product that you can use at the end. And the best part is when people compliment you for your bag, you can say that you made it. On the shipping list is where you get the QR code. So I'm going to use my iPad. I feel like a boomer when I do this, but I use the iPad for my tutorial videos because easier to see.
Official channel.
There we go. We got our tutorial video.
First, let's distinguish between the front and back of the leather materials.
And this is a bit different because you have to put the thread through, and then you have to put the sharp end of the needle, pierce the string, and you want to go halfway, and then you just pull it. And you need a needle on both sides of the same string. So this was a new technique that I learned when I did the very first bag, because I've never done this before, but I guess it's very true to leather making. Okay, now we gotta hold this one down, pierce through back where we came. Ah, okay.
After sewing up
so now we are going back and forth.
After sewing up to this point, fold the small material like this and then keep sewing forward.
Oh, it makes a loop. Cute. Like done one stitch and I'm like, love it.
After each stitch, tighten the thread.
Finish the first one. It's all stitched on. And now I just need to do it again. But before I start doing the next piece, I am going to relocate to the park because it is sunny, it is hot, it is nice, and that is a benefit of a hand sewing project. You can literally do it anywhere you want. So we're gonna go to the park for this. I'm just doing this one again. Finished both loops, and now is actually the hardware, which is the fun part. This goes here, and they even give you the tiniest screwdriver. Nice. The strap goes like this through, and then you can choose your light and turn it. Cool. The bag is starting to look like a bag. I have sids attached 2 panels together, and I need to attach the other side together. So it goes like this. We're on a good roll, I would say. The park was such a better option than in the studio. There's like a breeze, it's nice. I love it.
Speak je Nederlands?
Nee, just Engels.
English, what are you making?
It's a leather bag.
For?
Just for fun.
Oh,
it's
that's
like,
nice.
It's like a leather bag DIY kit. So it gives you all the tools and the pieces and you just make it for fun.
Oh, you can order it that way?
Yeah, yeah.
But everything, the tools, the needles, everything?
Yeah, it all comes together.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. So
Where are you from?
Canada.
Oh!
So,
and where did you order that? In Canada?
It's actually an American site. It's called Babylon Leather.
Babylon Leather. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, yeah.
And you managed to, we have to be very precise.
Yes. I mean, they already make all the holes for you. So you just have to follow it. Yeah, it's fun.
I was very curious. I think, what's she making?
Yeah, I know. Lots of people wonder because it looks a bit funny. But yeah, it's a leather bag. Back in the studio. The park was so nice the other day. I loved it. But this is how far I got. It's like a circle now. And you can kind of see the bag taking shape. It goes like so. I love the angled pieces here. And something I actually forgot was I forgot a lighter in the park. And this is just to finish off all the ends of the threads. You just give it a little bit of fire and it just cleans off the ends. I need to now stitch all around the top to give it a final stitch, but when I do that, I need to put in the little snaps. I have 2 snaps so it can actually close. Also, that gentleman the other day in the park was so friendly. I was a bit hesitant at first because I feel people don't really come up to you here just to like strike up a conversation. So I was at first like, hello, like what do you want? But he has ended up being super friendly and he was telling me places I have to check out in Maastricht. So that was funny. Yeah, super lovely person. I'm coming up on this part here. You can kind of see a difference of the hole sizes. That's the marking for adding one of these. I have to make sure putting it the right way. And we'll start sewing them together. See? I feel like lining it up sometimes is actually quite difficult, but oh yeah, they have these like pins. They're holding pins, so you can keep the piece where it's supposed to be while you're trying to sew it, which honestly helps. I still need to go all the way around to finish off the bag, but now you can kind of see how it just nicely goes into the top of the bag. Just finished the top stitch, so now we have the closure attached, and it's actually quite nice. Like it attaches quite easily. Cute. Now we are sewing on our very last piece, which is the bottom, which gives this whole bag a shape. Which way is the right way? This way. Okay. And I'm going to use this little bulldog clip now. This is how the clip is, just holding it together. It makes it a bit easier when I am sewing. It just keeps it lined up. Got both ends, and now it's just about flipping this up. Like you can see the curve. So this has to go up like this. It's always the starting of these more like difficult seams that takes a second. Once you get it going, it's okay. Good. We still have the other side to do, but I'm loving this look. These corners were quite difficult, not gonna lie, but this is the last stitch, and then it's just about putting all the hardware together. It's such a great size, I think. Nice. Let's see what we can fit in it later when it's done. We'll do like a fit test. The last stitch is complete, and I totally thought I was filming the last couple stitches. They were kind of hard, and turns out I was not. So that's a bit annoying. This is the insert in the bottom of the bag. I guess it also keeps it stable, and we're gonna screw in the little feet of the bag. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Which way does it go? Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay, that one's kind of on. I feel like the feet really elevate it. And then I have one extra foot. I guess they just give you a spare one just in case. Now we do the strap. Okay, this is the final step. Let's go to a final style and reveal, and don't forget you can get 10% off if you use my code Eleanor10, and you can shop through the link down below. The code works site-wide. They're full DIY leather kits. It comes with everything you need, and honestly, a super fun project, and you end up with the cutest little bag after. But let's style this because I'm obsessed.